Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel SS Analysis. First of all, I would like to tell you that if you are watching this video first time, subscribe my YouTube channel to see my more upcoming videos on analysis of different commodities and equity indices. And second important thing is to watch this video till its end to understand this thoroughly to take your decision. Your one like will motivate me to be regular in working more hard for you. Let us start the day to analyze the movements of WTI Crude Oil futures in different time frames. First, I would like to show you the movements of WTI Crude Oil futures in a daily chart. Friends, you can see that after touching the lowest levels on December 21st, 2018, WTI Crude Oil futures moved a sharp upward move on December 25th, 2018. Here you can see that the WTI Crude Oil futures were constantly maintaining an uptrend at a 45-degree angle till February 5th, 2019. Here you can see that after touching the highest levels of $55.45, WTI crude oil futures witnessed a bout of selling and moved downward till February 7, 2019, back up to the level of $52, where they find a good support. And since then, now here you can see that after touching the lowest levels of $51.30 on February 11, 2019, WTI crude oil futures have resumed their uptrend once again till the closing of February 15, 2019, when they closed at the level of $55.58. So friends, I find that here you can see that the WTI crude oil futures have entered successfully once again above the level of $54.48, where they have found a good support, and I find that the current uptrend of the WTI crude oil futures is likely to continue during the upcoming week. Now let me show you this movement in an hourly chart. So friends, in an hourly chart, here you can see the WTI crude oil futures after touching the lows of $53 on February 14, 2019, where you can see a lot of short covering was there, which resulted in an upward move, and here you can see a good buying in WTI crude oil futures from the levels of $53. Therefore, I find the levels of $53 provides a good support to WTI crude oil futures, and here you can see that in an hourly chart, WTI crude oil futures have started to move upward since February 14, 2019. Here you can see that since then the WTI crude oil futures have been maintaining an upward trend on a 60-degree move. Friends, here you can notice that this is a 60-degree upward move in an hourly chart, which affects the quantum of bullish uptrend in the days ahead. So I find during the next week this trend is likely to continue, because here you can see that the 20 days exponential moving average has come above the 20 days moving average, and both of them have turned upward. And one more important thing is that the both moving averages have already crossed this 200 days moving average on February 13, which has resulted in formation of a golden cross here, and I find that this formation will provide a good support to WTI crude oil futures during the upcoming week. Therefore, they have adopted this 60-degree move since February 14, 2019. Now let us go back to the daily chart to see how the WTI crude oil futures may behave during the upcoming week. So I find we may find a gap up opening in WTI crude oil futures up to the levels of $56, from where they may try to move above the levels of $58, and no doubt that a sustainable move in this zone will provide a good strength to WTI crude oil bulls for moving more upward. But here I find that they will have to cross this first resistance at the level of $59, where they will find some resistance. But if the WTI crude oil futures sustain above this first resistance, no doubt that they will try to break the next resistance at the levels of $62.62, where the 200 days moving average will provide stiff resistance to WTI crude oil futures in a daily time frame. So friends, be ready for for an action in WTI Crude Oil futures during the upcoming week. So I find that once again the WTI Crude Oil futures will try to maintain this 45-degree move during the upcoming week till they break 200 days moving average. On the lower side, I find our first support levels will be at $53 and second support will be at the level of $51, where the WTI Crude Oil future will find good buying support in case of a downward move. So friends, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to share this video with your more and more friends. Thank you.